Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up email autoresponders from Cpanel. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, open your browser and log into Cpanel by using your username and password. So let me log in. After logging in, you can see an interface like this. Now scroll down and click on autoresponders under the email section. Now you can see a form like this, and here in this field you have to enter the name in the email. It's Vivek and the domain is neptechpearl.com and the full email is vivek@neptechpearl.com, and here you have to enter your email subject. Let me enter Vivek is unavailable right now, and here you can choose either you want to add HTML or a plain text. I'm going to add a simple plain text, so I can select plain text. If you want to add custom HTML, then you can choose HTML and paste your HTML code here. Here you have to enter your message. Now you can choose whether you want to forward this email to other domain or not. If you want to forward, then you can choose like info@neptechpearl.com. If you don't want to forward those email, then you can leave it as a blank, and here you can choose start date and finish date. It is optional. If you have to do from in a certain period of time, then you can choose these two dates. Otherwise, you can leave this, and now click on add autoresponder. Now autoresponder is added successfully, and let me show you how it works. So let's go to gmail.com. Now I'm going to send email to myself. Now click on send. As you can see here, the email from vivek@neptechpearl.com. The message is, we are out of the office now, we will get back to you as soon as possible. So you can see here the autoresponder works successfully. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.